Thought I'd give you an update here on the painting of the front. You can see we're up in our lift and we got our umbrella because it's burning up here otherwise. Still am in some cases, but this umbrella's helping a lot. So after lots of scraping, caulking, and a ton of priming, which was all very slow, especially the priming. You have to go slow because that stuff is really, it drips all over. And as you can see, I still got drips on, but you know, minor compared to what I would have had if I would have went fast and putting it all over. Notice these little hoods here. So I've been gradually scraping off on this one over the years. I don't know if you can tell from right here. See all that paint? Well, this one I've been scraping and I have a lot of it off. So they're going to look 100% better. And then I have to put some aluminum on the edges and stuff where the slate's broken. I wish I could replace them, but I think they'd be very difficult to replace. So I'm going to put an aluminum edge along there. So we have the green, we have the purple, and now we're going to do that pink. And let me try to point, it's right in there. Now we have some of the white along the outer edge. We have two coats there, but inside we only have one coat. So I'm going to do one coat of the pink along the whole edge. And then I'm going to scrape a little bit, let the pink dry, and then go back and do the second coat of pink. And then with the same brush, I'm going to wipe as much of the pink off as I can, and I'm going to go to the white. And I'm going to start doing the second coat of white. And hopefully that's going to cover a lot of it. Oh, looks like we got a drip up there, or maybe not. I'll have to go look at that. I think I got to make something for up there. Not sure, I'm still thinking about that. So that's where we're at. And you can see we have lots over here to do. We still got some scraping and painting or priming to do. And then you see in that corner there, right in here, we got to get up in there and we got to fix that. So we got lots of work. Over on the other one, we have half of that to work on too. But we've come a long ways, and let's keep going.